he's got your first and second place finishers in your four-wheel drive pickup class we just ran, ladies and gentlemen. Take your attention down to the racetrack. Hey Brandon, did they tell you we renamed your truck earlier? That's not a pink truck, that's a Pepto-Bismol color on your truck.
Okay, we're down here on the track with Brandon Barunia, second place. Pretty good job for a local town boy here. AutoZone, no. Gotta think who we talking with. Make sure. Anyways, we got some gifts here. Air compressor for second place. We're running for a trophy only in this class. We appreciate you coming out. There's an air compressor for you. Appreciate you coming. Thanks a lot. No talking. All right, give it a hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Brandon Vermillion out of Bell Fountain, Ohio. Coming down the track right now, ladies and gentlemen, Brian Ansley out of Ridgeway, Ohio. Down and come back fifth.
Okay, we're back down here with first place. Lyle out of Jackson Center, Ohio. Come away. Did a great job. He's taken home what everybody came for tonight. This trophy is sponsored by Jack Haas Transportation. Clayton Jackson put in some money for it. We appreciate him and appreciate what he's done for Hardin County tractor pullers. Lyle, what do you think?
Oh, I just wanted to thank you guys for putting this poll on, and pretty nice trophy, so thanks for that too. And had a good time tonight. All the truck runs pretty good. I want to thank my dad. That's about all I got to say. Thank you.
Okay, we also got an air compressor here from AutoWorks out here in town. They're sponsored, gave us a couple air compressors and so on for that. So there you go. We appreciate you coming. Hope you come back next year. Everybody give him a big hand.
Yeah.